Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys, so I'm pretty sure you've seen these everywhere, but I'm going to put this video up anyways. Now, of course, you know the BoxyCharm Premium March box is a takeover box, so it is BoxyCharm and Fenty. Every product in there is going to be by Fenty Beauty. This box is $35. And it is a limited edition box. Yeah, there's going to be 6 items in this box. I've already done this video showing y'all what was going to be in the box, but I don't believe I've ever went over like every variation, like the shade variations in certain items. So I did get this off of Suzanne's YouTube channel, which if you don't know who Suzanne is, I'm going to link her below. She is a BoxyCharm Sneak Peek on Instagram, and then on YouTube, she is GlamBySuzan. So anyways, guys, again, you already know what's going to be in this box, but I'm going to go ahead and show you all the shade variations. And I got some of the clips from her video, which she did receive a PR box, and that is mainly just so she could show her viewers the different shade variations. But we're going to go ahead and go over them anyways, guys. And before we get started, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and read the first comment from the last video. Well, congratulations, Paula D. Paula, you were the first comment, and she says, great video. Thank you so much, Paula, for coming by to watch my videos. I really appreciate that. And you're quick with that bell, girl, and I love you so much. Remember, if you want a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. All right, guys, let's go ahead and dive into this. Now, again, this is for the BoxyCharm Premium March box. And again, this is a takeover box, so everything is Fenty Beauty. So first of all, I'm going to show you the palette because there's only going to be one variation of the palette. It's the Moroccan Spice eyeshadow palette. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. And if I could have picked one of the Fenty Beauty palettes to go in this box, this would actually be the one I would have picked. Now, next up is the Kilowatt Highlighter. Now, this is going to be in the shade Trophy Wife. You know, it's that gorgeous gold, very pigmented. Now, for those of you with very light skin shades like myself, you can mix this with another highlighter or whatever you want to do just to tone that down a little bit. Or you could use it for eyeshadow, put it on your eyelid, use it for that inner corner highlight, anything. I think it's absolutely gorgeous, and it is a great item to have, whether it matches your skin shade or not. So next up is this Gloss Bomb. This is a lip gloss, and it is going to be only in one shade. It is going to be in the shade Diamond Milk. Again, another great pick. If it was just going to be one item, this is a very, very sheer, but very, very shiny, like glittery. It's almost like a highlighter itself, and it probably can be used for a highlighter or like one of those eyeshadow looks, like that gloss look. I was never able to pull that off because my eyelids will be sticking to my head. I ain't never been into that look, but you know what? Some people are, to each their own. And the next thing that's not got a variation is the Invisimatte blotting paper. Now, this is just a blotting sheet. You pull one of the sheets out and you get oily throughout the day. You could tap that over your face, over makeup or whatever, and it's just going to take the oils out. Let's go ahead and name off the items that do have different variations. This first thing is the shimmer sticks. Now, these are multi-purpose sticks, so you can use them for anything. So the first shade that is going to be in the boxes is Confetti. Now, that looks like a very light lilac color. You know, that shade is usually a brightener on somebody with light skin. You know, you can use it again for anything. You could use it for blush, eyeshadow, lipstick, whatever you want to do. You could use it for color correcting. Now, next up is the shade Blonde. Now, this is the gold shade. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. Again, multi-purpose stick, can use it for anything. The next shade is going to be Chili Mango. Now, this is a bright orange. Now, like on me, that would cover up, like, first of all, my birthmark. It covers up dark spots, blue spots, under eye, dark circles, anything like that. And again, you can use this for blush, eyeshadow, lip topper, whatever you want. And then last, but certainly not least, is the shade Rum. Now, this is more like the bronzy champagne shade. This is actually the one I would love to have. I could use this for just about anything. Now, next up, we're going to look at the lipstick choices. Now, these are the Mademoiselle Plush lipsticks. Now, there's going to be 6 different variations, and again, you're going to get one of these shades. The first one is the shade Single, which is a rose shade. It looks like it's absolutely gorgeous. That's my favorite out of all of them. The next shade is Shoddy, which is like a deep burgundy wine shade. Again, absolutely gorgeous. That's a shade I might put a little bit lighter shade in the middle of my lips to plump up my lips, but still gorgeous. The next shade is Candy Venom. Now this looks like a hot pink to me, but when Suzanne swatched it, it actually looked more like a rosy nude. So I don't know. I think, still great to have in your collection. The next shade is Clap Back. Now this is a very dark blue. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Now it does look like it has a little bit of shimmer in it. Now, this I couldn't pull off, unless I was dressing up for Halloween or something. I don't know. I'm just rambling, y'all. But this does actually look good on some really deep skin tones. And I've seen some people with light, fair skin that can actually pull it off. I'm just not one of those. Now, the next shade is PMS. Now, this is like a very deep wine shade. This, again, it's one of my favorites. Absolutely beautiful. And then the last shade is Griselda, which it looks like a very dark brown, like a chocolatey brown shade. I think this is absolutely gorgeous. Would look gorgeous on dark skin tones, or some people with fair skin tone can also pull this off. Me, I would have to mute that out a little bit with a little bit lighter shade in the middle and just kind of dab it out. Now again, guys, those are the items you'll be receiving if you did get this box. If you did get this box, good for you. You're so damn lucky. I wish I could have afforded to get this box, but again, life's life. But you know what? There's still the future. So anyways, again, remember, you're getting an eyeshadow palette, you're getting one of those multi-purpose shimmer sticks, you're getting one of the lipsticks, you're getting that trophy wife highlighter, you're getting the blotting papers, and also that Diamond Milk lip gloss. Again, a really neat box, and especially if you haven't tried Fenty, or if you have tried Fenty and you just absolutely love it, I think this is the perfect box to have. I cannot wait to see the next one they do. They'll be doing another one. As soon as they reveal anything else, I'm going to keep you guys updated. I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's go ahead and read the comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Basic Bish Beauty boxes. Basic Bish says, so happy you're back up and running. Well, honey, I'm so glad to be back. I swear I miss the hell out of y'all. And I miss doing these videos and everything. I was out of place. And I love being back. I'm so happy. And thank you so much, honey, for coming and supporting my channel and watching my videos. I really appreciate it, girl. I love you. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And double check, again, make sure you are still subscribed. You know how YouTube likes to unsubscribe people? I think it's because they don't like me. I don't really care. Well, yeah, it kind of hurts. But anyways, they do that. So double check, make sure you're still subscribed. If you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need you to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.